Adorned with luscious greens and fertile valleys, this is our beloved Riphoi district, where the ground opens up its blessings in beauteous fields of rice, pineapples, bananas, and myriad vegetation. Just as the land produces such sumptuous variety, nonetheless, the people inhabiting the valleys are formed from myriad population, the Khasis, the Phois, the Mikirs, the Garos, and many other communities. Our children, born in the bosom of Riphoi district, though belonging to different social and communal background, have learned to respect one another, to assimilate and love their neighbors' cultures and traditions. Our schools, numbering 1,263, encompass children from all communities, and so are our orphanages, where God's precious children thrive and abound. Our children are striving to progress in education and learning. However, there are impediments along the way in their quest for knowledge, as schools and particularly our orphanages are poorly equipped of learning materials like books, where only less than 10% of schools in our district can afford a library.
Kerteng junga de balar kememasong ngasong class 7 nga lit school ha Burkhatsari Presbyterian Secondary School Marngan tingasong ngasa hangne ha Children's Home Girls Masuntai oi ngidang ke library tamba ngidang duna bhagi ki kon ngidang tangki school book ki general knowledge but ngidang dun kam shishu ya ki wei pat ki kon but ngin yo banya share lang but kini ki parlok jongi ki bayasa lang kini but ngin kam yo shishu ya ka jing nang jing tip but ka jing mentoy ngi
Kerteng junga de beautiful lapang ngasong class 8 ka ngasong ngasa ha RPP as children home sentai ka favorite subject junga ka de ka history namar bang ngitip sapang bantip sapang ki history jong babanshwa bajong kani ka perthe barok ka wei ngikwa banyo ke library ki pakhambiang banyo ki kot ki sibun ban pule ban bat banya pule lang bat kini ki perlok ki jonga ki bidan hangne ngikwa bandon ka library ka ba don ki kot sibun bantip ya sodong sokun jong kani ka perthe
Hoi ka library ka ai jing yarap yang asibun bangan ya banwan hakitin pareng hakikot kisla ki wa don hangne library namar da ka jing page code mo hakikot English ka yarap sibun angi lada maki kim lada ki kim nang mo kim singo tho ya kitin English yo ban page haki dictionary kin kan yo jing yarap sibun
oi ka jing pule kor kolong ka patun kam ha namar ka dingba ka jing pule kor ngila ban yo ka jing nang jing start ka jing tem ya ka perthai borok ko ban but sibun ka jing te ka bang ngila ban yo na ka jing pule kor.
What a joy would it be if books are easily available and libraries accessible, where the love of learning and creativity can spark the minds of these young ones, and where the vast treasures of knowledge locked up in literary and other genres of books can be enjoyed and voraciously read by them. If only our children can develop the skill of reading, can they excel in their God-given talents and creativity. And much more, how enjoyable and fun would their childhood be, where their sponge minds can absorb the rich history, fairy tales, and endless imaginary settings and characters. Well, we know the world has no dearth for brilliant writers and great books. And how wonderful would it be if our children get the chance to enter the beautiful world of books.
I'm very thankful to the Deputy Commissioner of Riphoi District as she has donated library books for the Children's Home Girls Riphoi District. And I also would like to talk a bit on the need of library books. Well, library books is like a pawn of knowledge, the need of the children to increase their vocabulary, to increase their pronunciation is through library books.
I'm humble enough for all the facilities that have been provided by the district administration, Riboy District, Nongpoh. For all the facilities that have been provided to the children, for example, the library which we have at present, the books which are there for the children, they are specially being donated or given willingly by the district administration under the leadership of our Madam DC. And it's a great privilege for us because we are able to use the books, various types of books, right from encyclopedias, then to different subjects based on the needs of the children.